In case you didn't know, websites are where the money is. Take it from the girl that started her first blog over 10 years ago. Websites are a great way to earn a passive income. You can use a website to sell your own products, sell other people's products, or get paid from ads. But I know you don't have time to learn how to code. And let's face it, even if you did have the time, you wouldn't want to learn that mess anyway. I'm going to show you how to have AI build you a website in 5 minutes that can pay you forever. Like the one I built using AI thanks to Hostinger, the sponsor of today's video. And make sure you watch this video all the way through because I'm also going to show you how to use this website to get paid over and over again. Even if you don't have anything of your own to sell, but you know what you got to do? Hit that algorithm in the face. Let YouTube know that you like money-making content by hitting the like button, and make sure you hit that hype button to hype this video up so I can keep bringing you this free content. But now that we got that out of the way, let's get into how to build a website in 5 minutes that pays you forever. Let's go. Listen, I've been blogging for a long time, like literally over 10 years. And I remember when starting a website meant you had to build it from scratch. You had to learn themes, plugins, widgets, HTML. It was a whole mess. Literally, you change one thing and your whole website looks like it was in a car accident. Then you would spend the next 3 hours Googling how to fix what you broke while trying to fix something else. That's why when I built my Nikki For Real website, I was not playing any of those games. I heard that Hostinger could build an entire website using AI in minutes. Count me in. And Hostinger built the heck out of that website in minutes. And honestly, I was offended because I'm like, where were you when I first started? Before you say, Nikki, I don't have a business. Listen, Linda, listen, Linda.
You guys.
Listen. You don't need one. You don't need a NikkiConnected.com or a NikkiForReal.com or some kind of big revolutionary idea. Think about this. People Google little tools all day long. You can make a side hustle calculator, a savings calculator. How much money am I wasting by eating out calculator? Actually, don't build that one because I don't need that kind of negativity in my life, okay? But the moral of the story is Hostinger's AI can build all of these things for you. As a matter of fact, let's do it. Let's build this website in just a few minutes using Hostinger's AI. So the first thing you're going to do is come over to the Hostinger website, choose your plan. They start at just $2.99. No excuses, okay? That's super affordable. On your dashboard, you're going to add a website. This is my actual dashboard. As you can see, I use Hostinger a lot, but you're going to pick the AI builder so the AI can build your site in just a couple of minutes. We're going to use the agentic option. Okay, so this is going to be the AI. Now you can choose a template that's already pre-made, but no, we're going to make our own. And if you ever used any AI before, you know how this works. You give it a prompt and it will do what you ask it to do. So I put my prompt in to make a side hustle income calculator. And if you want to read that full prompt, go ahead, pause, rewind. You know what you got to do. But as soon as I put my prompt in, the AI named Cody got to work, okay? Cody was coding, okay? And literally 5 minutes later, my website was built, okay? It's called Hustle Math. I didn't even tell it what to name it, but it has that side hustle calculator in it. It also has starting points, so people can just pick a side hustle, and my side hustle calculator will let them know how much money they can expect to earn in a given week. So I wanted to test these things out. So I picked the freelance design, and look, it will actually calculate how many jobs per week somebody would need in order to make this $2,300 a month. Also for weekend baking, $35, 9 orders can earn you $1,365 per month. And then I'm like, okay, well, people would use gas money, maybe $50 a week. And look, okay, that would bring your profit down to like $11.48. Instant results. Yes, the math is mathing on my side hustle calculator. But like I told y'all earlier, I've been blogging for over 10 years. So let me put you guys onto the game because I know a lot of people are going to wonder how you can get traffic over to your site. Here's one gem for you. You Just add a simple button where people can share your site to social media so that they can share with their friends and stuff. So I'm like, you know what? Let me ask Cody to add share button so people can share it. And Cody was basically like, I got you, girl. And it started coding right away to add those share buttons. And then it confirmed with me that it reloaded the preview. So let's take a look and make sure Cody listened well and did what it was supposed to do. And yes, it did. Look down here. My share buttons are ready so people can share it to Facebook, LinkedIn. They can copy the link themselves and more, okay? Now, before you publish your website, I highly suggest that you click that upper right-hand corner and check the mobile view. This way you can see what it will look like on people's cell phones because most people are on their phones these days. So I checked my calculator, everything is working fine, and I hit publish. So now my website is live and they gave me a temporary domain, that's the web address, or you can create a custom domain, which is what I suggest, especially since Hostinger gives you a free domain when you pay for your first year. And I'm going to show you how to get a discount. Just stick with me. This is where you're going to pick your domain name, like your .com. I chose inthemoneycalc.com. And like I said, it's free for that first year. So I'm paying $0.00. It gets no better than that. So if you want to do what I just did and build your website using Hostinger's AI in minutes, look down in the description. I put the link to Hostinger down below. And like I said, you can get that starter plan for as low as $2.99 a month. Actually, less than that, because if you use my coupon code Nikki at checkout, it will give you an even bigger discount. You're welcome. And just so you know, if you're somebody that plans on using the AI a lot, Hostinger gives you the option to just get more AI credits and top up on those instead of getting a bigger plan. But don't just listen to me tell you about it. Go head over to the website and actually sign up for Hostinger and try it out yourself. But let's be real. We're not over here building this out of the kindness of our hearts. We're trying to make some money here. Now, in case you need some ideas on how to get paid on your website, sell your own products online, ebooks, courses, printables, services, whatever you want to sell. You can sell other people's stuff. That's affiliate marketing. Somebody buys through your link, you earn a commission. And you can also get paid from ads, letting other companies advertise on your website. But don't think that we have to reach out to these companies. No, it's so much easier than that. You simply use Google AdSense. Yes, the same Google AdSense that pays YouTubers. A lot of people don't realize that Google AdSense will also pay for ads on your website. People visit your website, those ads can generate money. That's it. You don't have to go calling companies begging them to put ads on your website. So in order to get paid by Google AdSense, you have to sign up for Google AdSense. It's free. I'll link it down below. And you can sign up using an email or a phone number. But once you're in your AdSense dashboard, you're going to click New Site and then type in your web address for the website that you're trying to connect to AdSense. AdSense will give you this code that looks like gibberish to most of us, but just copy that code and head back over to Hostinger so you can add it to your site. Okay, I'm not going to lie. I could not remember how to connect Google AdSense. So I actually asked Hostinger's AI agent, which is available inside your Hostinger dashboard. So I asked it, how do I connect my website to AdSense? And this agent got it handled. It listed the options of which of my Hostinger websites I wanted to connect to AdSense. And I chose this latest one. And then it created the actual prompt. And it was like, just copy and paste this over to Cody. So I went back over to Cody and pasted that prompt with my AdSense code. Cody confirmed that it was done. I went back and hit publish again to make sure that the new live site can start showing my ads. I verified it on Google AdSense. And once it's verified, ads can be shown on both the desktop and mobile versions of your website. Now, obviously, your website needs visitors. Google is not going to pay you because you and your auntie looked at your website twice. That's why you should build your website around something that people actually need, something that people actually search for. Because the higher the traffic to your site, the more money you will earn. It's simple math. And in case you're wondering, how do I get people to my website? Get ready. Bam! Pinterest, Google, social media, YouTube, Facebook groups, your email list. These don't require explanation. I have talked about all of these options on this channel. And that's why I keep telling y'all, a website is so much better than social media because Instagram can change an algorithm tomorrow, or TikTok might wake up with an attitude, or YouTube can decide that your video belongs in witness protection. But a website is yours. It is your real estate on the internet. On your website, you make the rules. If you feel like waking up and venting in a blog post, you can do that. If you want Hostinger's AI to build you a website on side hustles and making money online because you hate your boss, you can do that. Now we have an actual website that's living on the internet that anybody can find any time of the day or night. And when we have those ads running any time of the day or night, we are able to earn a passive income. We can literally make money 24/7. We didn't have to learn any coding. We didn't have to hire a developer. You just connect your domain and you're done. This is not a theory for me. This is stuff that I really do. I have my Nikki For Real website that was actually built with Hostinger. That is actually the platform behind my other brands. Brands find me through that website. I've sold products on that website. I really make money from that website. And your website doesn't have to look like mine. Your website should be what you want it to be. Yours could literally be one useful tool that solves one little problem. You don't have to create blog posts if you don't want to. But if you do, FYI, Hostinger's AI can actually generate those blog posts for you. I'm telling you, the AI does it all. So if you've been saying, I want to make money online, but I don't know how to build a website. Congratulations. You finally lost that excuse. I'll put my Hostinger link and code below, but I want to hear from you. Did you know that you can build a website in minutes? Did you know Google Ads will pay you just for people visiting your website? What kind of website would you like to build? Let's discuss it in the comments. And please, if anything in this video helped you or you learned anything new, let me and the YouTube algorithm and Hostinger know by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Now, if you want to build an app using AI in minutes, I suggest you check out this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it